Wargati that hover milbanek, O silly blind body, O denayasi. I got it free, a young brisk sojourn laddie, between St. Johnston and Bonnie Dundee. O gen a song the laddie that gave me it, aft as he downed me upon his knee. May heaven protect my bonny Scots laddie, and send him safe hame to his Bobby and me. My blessings upon thy sweet wee lippy, my blessings upon thy bonny bree. Thy smiles are sae like my blithe sojourn laddie, thou's aye the dearer and dearer to me. But I'll beg a bower on yon bonny banks, where Terrans wimple and boys sae clear, and I'll cleed thee in the tartan sae fine,